Good morning, second graders, and welcome to math. This is a new chapter, chapter 12. This is our first lesson, 12.1. We are on page 579, and our learning target for this is use a number line to solve length word problems. Length, that's what we've been using with our inch ruler. That's what we've been doing with our centimeter ruler. Is length, finding out how long things are. And so that's what they want us to do. They want us to put our new knowledge of how to use rulers and into word problems. So let's get started. It says your goldfish is 4 centimeters long. It grows 6 more centimeters. Use the number line and your ruler to show how long the goldfish is now. Now, I want to see, let's see. It says the information, your goldfish is 4 centimeters long. That's one bit of information. And it grows 6 more centimeters. And the question, or what they want us to do, is use the number line and your ruler to show how long the goldfish is now. So this is what we need to do to find out how long, or that's what they want us to find out. All right, so we have a goldfish that is 4 centimeters long. I'm going to start my goldfish, my drawing, on the 0, not over past the 0, on the 0, and I'm going to draw a goldfish that is 4 centimeters long. Here's my 4, and so I'm going to draw a fish right like that, 4 centimeters long. Then it says it grows 6 more centimeters. Now, it doesn't say it grows to the 6, it grows 6 more. So we have to start at the 4 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it goes 6 more. So it actually grows all the way to here. Right? It started at 4 and it grew 6 more, which brought it to here. Now, I'm using my number line. I can show that the difference is from here and then it grows to here. How can I do that as a math problem? I would say that I have 4 centimeters, right? And I can use my ruler and say I'm starting here and I go to there. That is 4 centimeters. And I want to add 6 more. So I go where the end of this was, and I come out to the 6. And when I make this line, I know that that is 6 centimeters. cm stands for centimeters. I had 4 and 6. When I put them together, it ends where? On the 10. So 4 centimeters to start with. I add 6 more. That is the same as 4 plus 6. That equals 10. You are correct. Now, what is the same about your ruler and the number line? The number line and our ruler that I printed out, our centimeter ruler, they look pretty similar. But if I had a centimeter ruler from the store, then between the 0 and the 1, there would be 10 dashes, almost like we have on the inches, where there's dashes, there's fractions of the inches here. On a centimeter, there's fractions in between each number. So that would be one difference. But the similarity, the things that are the same, are they both use whole numbers. They both use whole numbers. They go from 1 to 2, from 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 and so on. So they both use whole numbers. The ruler uses fractions or parts of whole numbers. Okay, so let's turn this page over and we'll take a look at page 580. We're just going to do a couple of problems today because word problems sometimes can get a little involved. All right, here's some examples for you to look at. Number 1, you swim 15 meters and take a break. Then you swim 10 meters. How many meters do you swim? Well, let's circle our information. We swim 15 meters. Then you swim 10 meters. How many meters do we swim? That is the question. What could I do? I could start here at the 0 and I go 15 meters. So from 0 to 15, I can make my line right there and say that's where I'm going to start. I went 15 meters. Then, right, it even says, then you swim 10 meters. I go from here 10 more. 15 plus 10 more will end up right on the 25. Right? I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know that adding one more 10 to 15 will make that 1 in the tens place to go up to a 2. But I can do it as a math problem. 15 plus 10, because I'm going farther, equals, where did I end? 25. So how many meters do you swim? The answer is right here, 25 meters. All right, let me move this up just a bit. Number 2, a ribbon is 16 yards long. You cut off 7 yards. How long is the ribbon now? Now this is a little different. Let's take a look. A ribbon is 16 yards long, 16 yards. You cut off 7 yards. There's my information, 16 yards and 7 yards. How long is the ribbon now? I do that. I underline my question. And let's do the same as we did up here. Let's go over our questions and we'll draw it out. So 16 yards long. A ribbon is 16 yards. So I go from here to 16, right? From 0 to 16, and I have a ribbon that is 16 yards long. Then it doesn't say I add 7 more yards. It says I cut off 7 yards. So I have to go back 7 yards, and I have to cut some. How many? 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is where I have cut. This is 7 yards. This from here to the end is 16. So now what does my problem look like? It's going to be my original length, 16, and then I cut some off. I went back this way. I went back toward the 0, so I am taking some away. How many did I take away? I took away 7. And where did I end up? I ended on the 9. 16 yards minus 7 yards equals 9 yards. So my answer is 9 yards. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is not really something new. We've been working on this as measurement, but it is something new where we can do these math problems with words. Okay? Just like I've been telling all of us, we use math every day, and word problems are just ways to show us that we use math all the time. All right. In your books on page 583, I want you to do page 583 on your own, and any review pages that you would like to do that would help you get that information into your brain. All right. Thank you very much. Review and refresh is on 584. All right. Enjoy your day.